Every time GPT writes a word, it runs 10 mathematical steps. Each one transforms raw tokens into meaning. This is how transformers work, end to end. Step 1. Every token becomes 3 vectors: query, key, and value. 3 separate learned projections. Query asks, key advertises, value carries the answer. Step 2. Transformers have no word order by default. Rope stamps each token with its position through rotation. Without this, the sequence simply does not exist. Step 3. Raw attention scores grow unstable as dimension rises. Dividing by root decay stabilizes the gradients. Then a causal mask zeroes out future tokens. The model cannot look ahead. Step 4. Softmax turns scaled scores into attention weights. Each token decides, how much should I attend to every other token? Value vectors blend by those weights. That is attention. Step 5. Attention runs in parallel across multiple heads, each one operating in its own subspace. GPT-3 fires 96 heads simultaneously, each learning different relationships. Step 6. After attention, each token passes through its own feed-forward network. This is where factual knowledge is stored. The hidden layer is 4 times wider than the model dimension. Step 7. Without normalization, activations explode during training. Layer norm centers each vector to mean 0. Residual connections then carry the original signal forward, enabling 96 stable layers. Step 8. One transformer block is not enough. GPT-3 stacks 96 layers deep. Early layers handle syntax, middle layers hold world facts, late layers prep the next token. Step 9. The final hidden state projects to vocabulary size. Logits over 50,000 tokens. Temperature then shapes how peaked or random the probability distribution becomes. Step 10. Sample a token, append it, and run all 10 steps again. KV cache makes each new step just one forward pass. This loop, autoregressive generation, produces every word you read. 10 steps, every single token. This is the architecture powering ChatGPT, Gemini, and Claude. Follow for more deep dives into the models shaping our world.